Viewers and subscribers, greetings, love and respect from near device and One Connection Entertainment. Big up all of my loyal supporters who stay tuned to the channel. All the respect and love will know the thing go. And all who not subscribe yet, do it now and click the notification bell to get the latest uploads at all time. Now people, Jano, sad day today in dancehall for dancehall artists, Beenie Man. Yeah, me I tell you now. Moses Davis, Jano, my DJ. Condolences to the family, and as we all know, Beenie Man lost his mother some time ago, and today was actually her funeral. People, such a sad day, and trust me, we actually see Beenie Man faint way at his mother funeral today. Yeah, couple video clips out of surface the media, and trust me, give me chills, goosebumps, me feel it, I swear. Me lose a lot of loved ones and me have an idea what it's like. Trust me, people can imagine, Jano Beenie Man, stay strong. You know what I mean? Stay strong. Trust me, you have your family will need you, and a lot of people are depend on you, and you know what I mean? You have to carry the banner same way. So just stay strong. We know you lose a loved one. We can tell how much your mother mean to you. You don't have to say nothing. You know what I mean? People, may go share the video with you. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe, support the movement. Leave your thoughts in the comment area below. You can add some prayers for Beenie Man. Send some condolences to the family in the comment area. Such a sad video, people. I swear.
Hey, Ricky now.